Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Verify the remote IP or hostname and confirm the service port, for example 22 for SSH or 3389 for RDP. Make sure you have valid credentials and, if required, an SSH key or MFA method ready. Check your local firewall rules and the remote host's inbound rules so packets can flow. Once done, attempt a basic reachability test, ping or TCP connect, to confirm the path before. Now you proceed to the complex middle steps and establish the session. Select the correct protocol, SSH for shell, RDP for desktops, or a VPN for network access. If you use SSH, load the key and verify file permissions, make sure it's restricted to you, otherwise authentication will fail. If direct routes are blocked, configure a VPN or set up secure port forwarding through a Bastion host. Make sure to validate host fingerprints to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks before trusting the session. Finally, complete the connection and lock it down so it stays reliable. After you authenticate, immediately enable session encryption and limit privileges, disable direct root or admin login, and enable logging so you can audit access. Close any temporary ports and rotate credentials used for setup. If something goes wrong, check host and client logs, run traceroute or TCP dump to locate network drops, and verify file permission bits and timestamps. This single troubleshooting step often reveals mismatched keys or blocked routes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.